Good morning, respected officers, teachers, and my lovely students. Welcome you all. I am Shri Asit Vyas from MHB English School, Malwani, Malad West, PN Ward. Students, today we are going to study Maths, Chapter 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. Students, you all must have studied last year the properties of angle and triangles. So today, let's recall it. Okay, now share me some PPT. So our today's subtopics are the interior and exterior of an angle, adjacent angles, and practice set number 15. Parts of an angle. Students, can you see these two rays? In this, there are 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. Now these 3 points together make an angle. You all know that we can name the angle with 3 letters or 1 letter also. So what is the name of this angle? The name of the angle is angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. This we had already learned last year. So let's see what is vertex. Where these two rays, ray BA and ray BC, are joining is in this point B. So this point is called vertex. So point B is the vertex of angle A, B and C. The vertex is the common point at which the two lines or rays are joined. दो rays जिस point में से निकलते हैं उस point को vertex कहते हैं. Okay? First we see the angle and the vertex. Now see the arms. Students, we all have two arms. So the same way, an angle has also two arms. Here are the arms, ray BA and ray BC. These are the two arms who is making this angle A, B and C. Remember students, start the name of the ray which are the arms from the vertex, that is point B. So write ray BA and write BC. Okay. Now let's do one activity. In your textbook, page number 24. Here is the figure. Observe the figure and answer the questions. Students, if you know the answer, you can write it in a chat box. So the first question is, write the name of the angle shown alongside. Come on, write it. What is the name of this angle? Yes, very good. Angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. Very good children, very good. Now second question is, write the name of its vertex. What is the vertex of this angle? Yes, yes, very good children. Point B is the vertex. The third question is, write the names of its arms. Yes, ray BA and ray BC are the arms of this angle. Now the fourth question is, write the names of the points marked on its arms. Yes, good. Point A, point B and point C. Very good children, very good. Now stop chatting in your chat books. So here is the answer. You can take a screenshot. Done? Okay. Students, you all studied last year interior and exterior of circle. This is the circle. This is interior part of a circle. Circle के अंदर का part, which is shown in blue color. The yellow colored part is the exterior part of a circle. Circle के बाहर का part. So the interior points of the circle is point A, point G, point M and point B. The exterior points of the circle is point C, point U, point Z, point S and point T. And the points on circle are point D and point R. The same way, we are going to learn the interior and exterior of an angle. So what is the interior of an angle? Say this, interior of an angle. The region that lies within the angle is called the interior of an angle. Angle के अंदर का part is called interior of an angle. What is the exterior of an angle? Exterior of an angle. So the region that lies outside the angle is called the exterior of an angle. Okay, understood? Interior and exterior of an angle. Now, what are the interior points of an angle? Point N, point O, point T and point M, which are not on the arms of the angle but inside the arms of the angle are called interior points of an angle. In short, a set of points inside the angle. I repeat, a set of points inside the angle. Okay? Now, the exterior points of an angle. Point G, point D, point S and point E, which are not on the arms of the angle but outside the arms of the angle are called exterior points of an angle. In short, a set of points outside the angle. I repeat, a set of points outside the angle. See these points. They are outside the angle P, Q, R. Okay. So this is the answer. Interior points of the angle P, Q, R. Point N, point O, point T and point M. The exterior point of an angle PQR is point G, point D, point S and point E. Now, let's see, there are few points. They lies on the arms of an angle. These points are point P, point Q and point R. They are neither interior of an angle and nor on the exterior part of an angle. They are on the arms of an angle. So children, I hope you all understand the interior and exterior of an angle. Now let's see the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means neighbor, bajuwala, immediately next to each other. Suppose there are three students A, B and C. So A is adjacent to B, B is adjacent to C and B is adjacent both A and C. See here. A is adjacent to B. A, B के बाजू वाला है. B is adjacent to C. B is adjacent to C. B, C के बाजू वाला है. But B is adjacent to A and adjacent to C also. Okay. Now look here. S and V are neighbors. Okay. Though their houses are separate, but they have a common wall in between their two houses. ओके बस ये कॉमन वॉल को आपको याद रखना है. Their houses are different. The interior part of their houses are different. Their furniture, TV, fridge, everything is different. But the wall, the common wall is same. Okay? एक कॉमन वॉल है. एक दूसरे के घर में ये कॉमन वॉल को कूद कर यानी कि ओवरलैप करके नहीं जा सकते. And these two walls are opposite side of a common wall. The same way adjacent angles are. So the definition of adjacent angles is, you have to remember, children, two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. I repeat, the definition of adjacent angles is two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Angle LMO and angle NMO are adjacent angles. Here are two angles. Angle 1, that is angle LMO. It is in green color. And the second angle, angle NMO, in orange color. So, how to find the two angles are adjacent or not? So, there are some conditions to identify the adjacent angles. So, let's see the conditions. The first condition is two angles which have a common vertex. In angle LMO and angle NMO, is these two angles have a common vertex? Yes. Point M is the common vertex of these two angles. So, the common vertex is point M. Okay. Now, the second condition is common arm. Angle LMO and angle NMO. These two angles have a common arm? Yes. Ray MO is the common arm of these two angles. हमने S और V के घर की कॉमन वॉल देखी थी ना, वैसे ही यहाँ एंगल LMO and angle NMO have a common arm, that is ray MO. The third condition is uncommon arm are on opposite side of a common arm. Uncommon arm means opposite, and that is the opposite side of the common arm. Ray ML and ray MN are the opposite side of the common arm ray MO. So the third condition is this, and the see here, कॉमन वॉल के ऑपोजिट साइड में एस की ये वॉल और वी के घर की ये वॉल, ओके, ऑपोजिट साइड. The next condition, last condition is separate interiors. Angle LMO means the first number angle which is in green color, and angle NMO, the second number angle which is in orange color, have a separate interiors? Yes. See this. They have a separate interiors. घर के अंदर का जो इंटीरियर है दोनों का अलग अलग है. So here all the conditions are fulfilled. So these two angles are called adjacent angles. Therefore, angle LMO and angle MO are adjacent angles. So, to find the adjacent angles, we have to fulfill these conditions. Okay. First is common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors. If these conditions are fulfilled, then also the two angles are called adjacent angles. Got it? What are the conditions? Common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors. Two angles which have a common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angle. Okay. Now, let's see what is and isn't an adjacent angle. Angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Why? Because they share a vertex and a side. See here, angle A and angle B, they share a common vertex and they share a common ray, common side also, and they both have a separate interior also. So that we can say these two angles are adjacent angles. Now see here, angle A and angle B are not adjacent angle. Why? Because they only share a vertex here, but not a side. They don't share a common side. A's interior is here, B's interior is here, but they don't share a common side. So these angles are not adjacent angles. Okay, ये देखो ये तीन एंगल बना रहे हैं. Say this. Angle A and angle B are not adjacent angle. Why? Because they only share a side, not a vertex. Angle A and angle B have a common side, okay, common arm. But A's vertex is this and B's vertex is this. So they both have a separate vertex. Therefore, they are not adjacent angle. Okay. Don't overlap. Also, the angles must not overlap. Student, remember this. Also, the angles must not overlap. Angle A and angle B are not adjacent angles. Why? Because angle A and angle B overlap. See here, angle A's interior is this much, but angle B's interior is from here to here. So angle B is overlapping on angle A. देखो B जो है वो A के interior में चला गया है. So this is not allowed in adjacent angle because they both the angles have a separate interior, then only they are called adjacent angles. Okay, overlap नहीं होना चाहिए. Got it, children? Okay. Now practice set 15. Before that, the definition of the adjacent angle. Two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angle. Now solve. We will solve practice number 15. Those who know the answer, please write it in a chat box. Okay, because you all know now that what are the interiors and exterior points of an angle. Okay, students. So observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWP. The first question is points in the interior. So what are the points in the interior part of an angle? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, student. Very good. point R, point C, point X, and point N are the interior points of an angle. Very good. Now, the second question is points in the exterior. Yes, yes, very good. Point T, point U, point Q, and point V, and point Y also. They are points in the exterior. Okay. Last question is points on the arms of the angle. Which points are on the arms of the angle? Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. Point A, point W, point G, and point B. These are the points on the arms of the angle. Very good, students. Now stop chatting in chat box. Okay. This is the answer. You can take a screenshot of this. Done? Okay. Now, the second question is, name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. Now, we all know that two angles are adjacent when they have a common vertex, common arm, and have a separate interiors. And we have seen the conditions also. So, let's see here. Okay, there are three angles, angle A and B in red color. See here, angle A and B in red color, angle B and C in green color, angle B and C, and angle A and C in blue color, angle A and C in blue color. If we number these angles 1, 2, and 3, it becomes very easy to understand. So we number them 1, 2, and 3. Now, the first is angle A and B, that is angle 1, and angle B and C, that is angle 2. Are they adjacent or not? To find the adjacent angle, we have to follow the conditions. We have to satisfy the conditions. So the first condition is common vertex. Do they have a common vertex? Yes. Point N is the common vertex of angle 1 and angle 2. The second condition is common arm. Angle A and B and angle B and C have a common arm, that is ray NB. So the second condition is also fulfilled. Third condition, the uncommon arm. Uncommon arm is opposite side of the ray NB. रे NB के opposite side में कौन सी rays है? ray NA and ray NC are the opposite side of the common arm NB. So the third condition is also fulfilled. Fourth condition, separate interiors. Do they have a separate interiors? Yes, red and green. Okay. So the four conditions are fulfilled to find the adjacent angles, that angle A and B and angle B and C are adjacent angles. See the second pair of angles, angle A and B, angle A and B, and angle A and C, A and C. Means first and third angle. Do they have a common vertex? Yes. Point N is the common vertex. Do they have a common arm? Yes. Ray NA is the common arm. And their opposite arms are ray NB and ray NC. Okay. And they have a separate interiors. So these angles, angle A and B and angle A and C are also adjacent angles. Okay. Angle 1 and 3 are also adjacent angles. Third question is angle B and C, that is angle number 2, and angle A and C, angle number 3, are adjacent angles. Why? Because they have a common vertex N. They have a common arm ray NC, and their opposite rays are ray NB and ray NA. So the second and third angles are also an adjacent angles because their interiors are also separate. Understood? Because we know the definition of adjacent angle. Two angles which are called adjacent angle when they have a common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors. Okay. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. There are three angles. In this figure, angle RTS, that is third angle, is in orange color, is a separate angle. Okay. So we have to find that angle PQT, that is the first angle in yellow color, and angle PQR, second angle in purple color. They are adjacent or not. So conditions apply. Common vertex, yes, point Q. Common arm, ray QP. Uncommon arms, ray QR and ray QT are on opposite side of ray QP. And separate interiors? Yes, they have a separate interiors. So that we can say that angle PQT and angle PQR are adjacent angles. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. So we have to write the reason also. The first pair of angle is angle PMQ and angle RMQ. Angle PMQ. PMQ, that is in green color. Angle number 1. Second is angle RMQ. It's in pink color. Students always draw a rough diagram so that you can easily understand if these angles are adjacent or not. Okay, I have done here. See this rough diagram. Okay. So the conditions, common vertex, yes, they have a common vertex, point M. Common arm, ray MQ is the common arm of these two angles. Uncommon arms, ray MR and ray MP are the uncommon arms. They are opposite on side MQ. Okay, and they have the separate interiors. Yes. So the answer is in angle PMQ and angle RMQ, M is the common vertex and MQ is common arm. Therefore, angle PMQ and angle RMQ are adjacent angles. Second pair is angle RMQ and angle SMR are adjacent. So here angle RMQ, yellow colored part angle. See this rough figure. And angle SMR, that is the second angle in red color. SMR. See this. What happened? Yes, overlapping. So these two angles are not an adjacent angle because angle 1 is overlapping on angle 2. See here that interiors. The second angle's interior is this, but the first angle's interior is from this to this also. A 2K interior में चला गया है. So overlapping is not allowed in adjacent angle. So they have a common vertex, common point, but all the other conditions are not fulfilled in this pairs of angles. So we can write that the answer is the angles, angle PRMQ and angle SMR have a common vertex M, but don't have common arm. Therefore, angle RMQ and angle SMR are not adjacent angles. Why? Because one angle is overlapping on the other. Their interiors are not separate. Now, the third one is angle RMS and angle RMT are adjacent. So, angle RMS, the first angle is in blue color. Okay, see here, angle RMS and angle RMT. What happened? Here also overlapping. See this rough figure. Okay, angle 2 is overlapping on angle 1. So, these two angles are also not an adjacent angles because the interior of first angle is this blue color, but the second angle's interior is from this to this angle also. So their common vertex is point M, but the other conditions are not fulfilled in these two angles. So we cannot say that these angles are adjacent angles. So our answer is the angles, angle RMS and angle RMT have a common vertex M, but don't have common arm. Therefore, angle RMS and angle RMT are not adjacent angle. Understood, student? I hope you all have understood this concept of adjacent angle. Okay. The last question is angle SMT and angle RMS are adjacent or not? See here, angle SMT, that is angle 1 in green color, and angle RM and S, that is in a pink color. So they have a separate interiors. See here, angle 2's interior is this and angle 1's interior is this. So students always draw a rough diagram so that you can easily understand the question and you can answer also. Okay. So the first condition is common vertex. Yes, they have a common vertex, that is point M. Common arm is ray MS. Uncommon arms ray MR and ray MT are on opposite sides of ray MS, and they both have a separate interiors. So we know that the two angles are adjacent when they have a common vertex, a common arm, and separate interiors. So yes, they have a separate interiors. So all the four conditions are fulfilled by these two angles. So that we can answer that in angle SMT and angle RMS, M is the common vertex and SM is common arm. Therefore, angle SMT and angle RMS are adjacent angles. So children, here our practice set 15 is over. So today, what we have learned? We have learned about interior and exterior of an angle, adjacent angles, and done practice set 15. Okay. So here are the examples of adjacent angle in our real life. See this. Okay. Angle A and angle B. They have a common vertex, common arm, and separate interiors. In the leaf also. In this textbook's page. And the hands of the clock. Okay. These are the real life examples of adjacent angle. Understood? Okay. Now it's revision time. See this slide. And you have to answer it. Okay. And those who know the answer, please raise your hand so I can unmute yourself. Okay. So the question is, are the following angles are adjacent or not? Give reasons. If they are not adjacent, give reason. The first question is, that is in figure A, angle 1 and angle 2. Are they adjacent? Come on. Okay, Tawfiq, tell me answer.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me the first answer. Is these two angles are adjacent or not?
Not adjacent.
Why?
Common arms
Common arm?
नहीं है.
Very good, very good. Very good, Tawfiq. Because angle 1 and angle 2 don't have a common arm. They have a common vertex, but they don't have a common arm. Very good, Tawfiq. See the B figure. Angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. Okay. Who will answer? Who will answer? Arman? Hamid?
Teacher.
Okay.
Not adjacent angle.
Okay. Not adjacent angle. Why?
Overlap नहीं है.
Overlap नहीं है या है?
है मिस.
हाँ, overlap है.
Vertex.
हाँ. क्योंकि see this. Angle 1 is overlapping on angle 2. So these are not the adjacent angles. Okay. See the third figure. C. Angle 1
Not
and angle
adjacent
2.
angle.
Okay, very good. Very good, students. Not adjacent angles. Why? Why?
वर्टेक्स नहीं है इसमें.
कॉमन वे यस वेरी गुड. कॉमन वर्टेक्स नहीं है इसमें. दोनों के वर्टेक्स डिफरेंट है. So these two angles are also not a adjacent angle. Very good, students. Now see this D figure. Angle 1 and angle 2. Shajan? Shajan? Okay. Anybody else?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
हाँ. Say the answer.
Adjective है. Adjective है miss.
Adjective.
हाँ
Or
है.
adjacent.
They are adjacent.
Yes. Yes.
Common.
Yes.
कॉमन वर्टेक्स भी है. कॉमन
हाँ.
आर्म भी है.
हाँ.
और स्पेशल इंटीजर्स भी है.
Sorry. Separate interiors भी है. Very good. Very good, बच्चा.
हाँ.
हाँ. This angle 1 and angle 2 is an adjacent angle because they have a common vertex, common arm, and they both have a separate interiors also. So these angles are an adjacent angle. Very good, students. Very good answer. Very good. Tap your back. Tap your back. Very good. So today's homework is solve practice set number 15 in your notebook and send it in your school's class group. Okay. Now students, we have maths lecture in every Monday and Tuesday. So from the next period, please sit with maths textbook, notebook, pen, pencil and protractor. Okay, protractor is must in next lecture. So students, do you understand what are the interiors and exterior parts of an angle and what is the adjacent angle? See one more example of our real life, the adjacent angles. See this. If this is the common vertex, so this is the common arm. The second finger is the common arm. Okay. And these two, first finger and third fingers are opposite to this our second finger. That is common arm. Okay. They have a common vertex, common arm, and they both have a separate interior. See this. They both have a separate interiors. Understood? So these two angles, angles 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Why? Because they have a common vertex, common arm and separate interiors. So they are called the adjacent angle. Got it? समझ में आया ना? Okay. Now today's lecture is over and see you tomorrow at same time 8 o'clock in the morning. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Okay, students? Bye.